Hi everyone, this is Nabila with WPVR, and today I'm going to show you how you can create private and public virtual tours very easily. So let's get into this tutorial. So to create the private tours, you need to have WPVR free installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. You can use it in the free version. You don't need the pro version to use this feature. Now here you can see that I have created some of the virtual tours already. So let's say I want to use this 4.ca virtual tour. So I'm going to click on edit. Now this is a pre-created tour. So I have added different hotspots here. So this is a tour that I've already created and this is completed. Now what I'm going to do is scroll down here and you can see that there's an option called visibility public. So basically when you create a virtual tour in WPVR, the visibility is already set as public. So you don't need to change it if you want to keep the virtual tour open for everyone. But if you want to keep it as private, you can click on edit option here. Now you'll see three options here: public, password protected, and private. I have covered the password protected tutorial in another video, so I'm not going to show you that now. I'm just going to go ahead and click on this private option here. So once you do that, you can click on OK, and that's about it. Now the visibility of this specific tour will be only available to those who have the link. So if you click on update, now what you can do is go to the specific page where this virtual tour has been published. Then what you will see is, let's say this is my 4.ca. If I click on view, now you can see that the 4.view page has been gone to private. Now there's a message here that says, oops, it seems like the post isn't published yet. So since I have added this virtual tour as private, now this page won't show the virtual tour. Now if I click on edit and then I make it public again and update this, then I refresh this virtual tour will appear. So that's how you can use the private and public virtual tours very easily. So that's about it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.